Hey guys, day 13. Yeah, 13. Hello, welcome if you're new. I have this series I've started the 1st of August where I went through and decluttered my house 30 minutes every day. A few days were over the 30 minutes, but the stuff needed to be done. So, and I also currently have moved twice in 6 months. So everything is just everywhere. I'm so excited to get in my closet or my garage, which is not today, and get the last of my stuff unpacked. Unpacked. Yeah, I said that. Yes. But, yeah, so today we are in my closet. Spoiler alert, tomorrow is also going to be in my closet because I'm literally only doing 30 minutes. I have a ton of videos to edit. I have other stuff I've got to get done today. I would like to mess around on my Cricut. So, 30 minutes, Ashley, that's all you're doing. You're not going over. Hello. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see the rest of the 20 days, subscribe. The red button below. Hit the subscribe button so you can follow along. I do cleaning videos, mommy videos. Yeah, I try to keep everybody motivated. Yes. I also give you a little inside view of families that travel for work. My husband travels for work. I have depression and anxiety. My daughter has anxiety. And my son is cool as a cucumber. So, I wish I could have some of his calmness. And you can hear my kids playing in the background. But I'm going to give you a little overview of how my closet looks. I'm going to start from the top. My famous step stool is going to be in this video. We need to name him because we named my bed. Her name is Stiffy. My planner, I think we named my planner, but I can't remember. But yes, my famous step stool is going to be in today's video. Usually she is. But I'm going to start from the top and work my way down. Hopefully I can kind of go through a few of my clothes. I have recently went through my clothes. And that's what this bag is. And this gray container over here, that is what that is for. Yes, my breaker box is in my closet. I need to shut that, but my oven is currently operating by my breaker box. It's a big ordeal. But, okay, overview. Right, guys, so I want to organize my bedding and stuff. I might get rid of a few sheets. I know one of my turquoise sheet sets is from Target and I'm not too fond of it. I usually get my sheets from Costco, so I'm going to definitely keep both sets. I have a turquoise set and then I have this set and then I have the one that's also on my bed. These blankets, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. They are memory blankets. Yep, there's hair extensions. Okay, so my clothes, I'm going to wait on my winter clothes right here. That's a separate video. But yes, this is my clothing. I have a ton, and no, I don't want to KonMari it because they bring me joy. So, and I'm currently trying to lose weight. So, some of it is smaller, and I'm trying to keep myself motivated to lose weight. All of my cowgirl boots and stuff, this is a mess. We're going to stay on this one side today. So yeah, we're gonna get this organized. Okay, so like I said, I'm just going to stick to this one side over here for today, and then tomorrow we'll do this side. So, all right, so we're all on the same page. Okay, let's get into it, guys.
now, there was never trust. Don't you say a word, cause I've heard it all. You were just a pain when you felt it all. Oh. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Ooh, baby, there ain't no one like you. You chose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby, keep my all to you. All you did was tell me lies. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Once you leave me, it's over. No turning back, not today. Don't you come running back now. I'm not a home for the shame. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Ooh, baby, there ain't no one like you. You chose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby, keep my all to you. All you did was tell me lies.
Okay, so I'm missing my turquoise sheets. I don't know what I do with them. I need a drink break, hang on.
It's done. The thrill is gone. I won't miss this love, no. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't know.
Okay, so there's like 2 minutes left. So all I'm gonna do is, I've got a few things. Oh, that's it. There's my sheet. Oh my goodness. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, yes, I've got clothes over here, but I'm literally not going to touch them, I promise. I'm going to put these clothes up, put this sheet up, and organize this stuff, and then that is it. So I went over it just a little bit. Alright guys, so this side is clean and organized. Look at these shelves up here. Look at all of that empty space. Okay, so I've got a pair of sweatpants that need to be put in my dresser. A bra that needs to be put in my dresser. And to give you guys an overview of how I organized it, I had been thinking about how I wanted to organize it for a while, and whenever I got in here, it kind of made sense. I don't know, I think I used to have it color coded and everything coordinated, but yeah, anyway, I have a ton of boots, okay? Yeah, I do. I have like 4 pairs of cowboy boots. One is actually missing, and I'm not happy about it. I have a bunch of fringy boots. It's just my style in the fall. I wear them all the time, literally all the time in the fall. So, yeah, but we have seasons here, so yeah. And I decluttered them whenever, I decluttered a bunch of my boots before we left for Louisiana. But anyway, we're gonna get into how I organize my closet, okay? Okay, so first off, if you've watched my channel for a little while, you know I literally wear t-shirts all the freaking time. So first things first, t-shirts. And if I'm not wearing a like regular t-shirt, I'm wearing like a nicer, flowier t-shirt. So those are second. And then tank tops, because I'm trying to get motivated to work out. But I've got like regular like tank tops. Anyway, these are my cover-ups. This one's from Goodwill. I love it. So I got my sweater too. I wear that for like whenever we go to the drive-in. My nicer like shirts. A bunch of these are like long sleeve or whatever. And then all my dresses. I might declutter a few tomorrow. I'm gonna sleep on it. And then like these are my 3/4 length sleeve shirts, long sleeve shirts, and yeah, that one's right. Okay, and then all my sweaters, and then my jeans and shorts are first. Shorts are first. Okay, so I've got sheets, and I always try and pair the sheet sets, those white pillowcases are not with that sheet set, but the sheet set is on my bed. Okay. Okay, these blankets, I'm gonna have Seth take this one with him whenever he goes to his new house. The purple one is my graduation present from my grandma. She made it. That comforter I take when we go camping, but it also matches my comforter on my bed, and the other day I got cold and I used it. Those pillows go with this bed set, so I just keep them up here. That's another comforter I like to use. I probably will use that in the fall. It's the one I was using before I got that set. My box shoes, I might get rid of one pair. I'm not positive yet. Okay, so down here I have my tennis shoes, and I might put these shoes in one of my shoe organizers. I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow and, you know, kind of see what I've got going on. And then these are all my boots. I have them paired up and everything. That is a dehumidifier. But who's excited to go through this side tomorrow? My purses and stuff are a separate deal, so I might just set them off to the side. I'm not sure yet. But I've got purses up here, I've got purses in that thing, I've got scarves and hats on all these, yeah. So we might, and then my jewelry that I already decluttered. I'm still thinking on these deals, these bracelets right here. I probably will declutter them whenever we go through this tomorrow, anyway. So, okay. Monday I'm going to get my glasses tightened, I'm so excited. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching today, half of my closet, and I almost made it through 30 minutes. I went over maybe by a couple minutes, but I am so excited that this looks like it does. Who else is excited? This one. But tomorrow I have haircut. I have to do a couple haircuts at 11, and then I'll hopefully get up early. And do this before they get here, but I doubt it. Let's all be honest. Probably not gonna happen. I need to get back into the schedule of school being in session. So, if you like this video, and I'm sorry I'm rambling, but I just ramble brain. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, hit the subscribe button. I'd love for you to join my channel. All right, see you in the next one, guys. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.